Hi everyone, this is Om from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with the vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And for that, we keep making videos on different software. So, what are we going to learn today? Today, we are going to learn about Tekla Structures. Now, you know Tekla Structures is a detailing software. But on the broader aspect, it is a BIM software. Now the question is, what does BIM stands for? A BIM stands for the Building Information Model. And Tekla Structures is the most constructible software for BIM. So the question is what it can do. So it can create, combine, manage and share accurate multi-material 3D models full of construction information. Now let's understand all these points one by one. So first, in Tekla Structures, you can create a model. Then you can also combine that model with the models created in different software like the Revit structure, and you can also combine the Tekla structures with the model created in any designing software like the Tekla Structural Designer. You can always manage the model and share the information that are related to it. So in Tekla Structures, it's not like you can work with just one material. You can definitely work with the multi materials. Like at the same time, you can use the RCC, you can use the steel and also the timber. And if there is any other construction material that you want to use in your model, you can also use that. So it will give you accurate information for that. Now the next question is, what is BIM or the Building Information Modeling? So you know that on any project a lot of people work at the same time. Like suppose you are having a construction project. Then who are the people who will be involved in this project? That can be the facility manager, then the owner is obviously there, then there will be a general contractor who will take the contract from the owner and he will just go to the architect for the planning. Then the architect will submit the plan and they will go to the structural engineer. Now, if you are working on a multi-story project, then you need a detailer over there. For a project like G plus 3 or lesser, you don't need a detailer. But the multi-story projects like G plus 10, G plus 20, you need a detailer because the detailer will give you the accurate drawing of each and every structural member. Okay, then we have mechanical engineer with us and the fabricator, then we have site manager, editor, and all these people are working simultaneously on a single project. So, suppose your architect makes some changes, then he will have to go to the structural engineer, and the structural engineer will go to detailer, and these will go to the site manager and execute those changes. This is a way of working. But if you are working on a building information modeling software, then architect will just give the changes directly to the software, and this information of the change will be immediately transferred to all the persons who are involved in the project. So the structural engineer will immediately make the changes, and similarly the detailer will make the changes, and the information will go to the site manager and he can plan the project accordingly. So suppose if your project is being delayed by 5 to 6 days because of the changes, then site manager can coordinate with the facility manager and make the necessary changes so that the project can be completed on time. So this is what a building information modeling software does. Now let's see what are the applications of the Tekla structures. So at first it can be used for detailing. Now what is detailing? In detailing you do the detailed drawing of your structural drawing. So in the structural drawing you have the drawings for the beam, slabs, columns, footings and staircase. But in the detailing you will get the detailed drawing of each and every structural member. Okay, so it will help you to save a lot of money when it comes to the reinforcement, because with the accurate lengths you can know where the bar is being provided which is not needed. So you can cut the unnecessary portions and you can save a lot of amount from there. Then the second point is information management. And I have already guided you how Tekla Structures helps to manage the information, because it immediately transfers the information to each and every person involved in the project. Then the third point, that is the create information rich 3D models. So I've also covered this point in this session, and over here you know that Tekla Structures can provide you information about the different members with different materials. So it will create the information rich 3D models. So suppose one portion of your building is made up of timber, then it will provide you information related to that. Now we will go to the fourth point, that is design of formwork. So even in the advanced structural designing softwares like the Tekla Structural Designer, you can't design the formwork, but definitely the formwork is a key point while you go for the construction, and you need to get the accurate information how much formwork will be needed over there. Okay, so like this you can work with the Tekla structures, and with accurate information you can just plan your project and complete it in the given amount of time. So guys, that was all from my side. Want to join the full training of this course, then you will have to just fill a Google form and you can get the link in the description. So you have to go to this form and choose for T+1 building detailing using Tekla structures. And if you are also willing to go for the recorded session of it, then I will also add a link for the recorded session of G+1 building detailing using Tekla structures in the description, and you can register yourself for that. You can also suggest me what is the next topic that you want on the channel of Civil Center in the comment section. So guys, if you have liked this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.